Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new pattern tutorial. I'm going to show you today how to make this variation with this V stitch. We have kind of these double V's, and we have kind of double crochets that are, used from the front or the back. It's a very interesting pattern. It's nice and airy, so nice for spring. I'm going to show you now how to do this exactly. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we are. I'm going to show you this pattern with my leftovers of the Chicago wool. It was 200 grams and 360 meters long from Teddy. I have this little bit left over. It's going to be just enough to make this cute pattern. It's meant for size 5 to 6 crocheting hooks, but it says actually 5 to 5. But I'm going to use my size 6. I've actually used this before and it worked really, really well. This was €7, and it's 100% polyacrylic. I'm going to take the label and show you the yarn. We have a lot of purple and pink left over, but there was also other colors in the ball. There was even some white in there actually. Okay, so let's get started with my size 6 crocheting hook. I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. As my base for this pattern, I need 6 chain stitches. So I need a multiple of 6, and then I will add 3 chain stitches for height. This will be 21 chain stitches for me. So 3 times 6, 18 plus 3, so 21. Okay. So I am starting here to get my thread on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, so we have that part done. I'm going to go ahead and skip the first 5 chain stitches. So I'm going into the 6th one, so 3 for height, and then 2 more as a distance, and then I go into the 6th stitch. But here, we're actually going to get started with a lot of stitches. So we will add 4 double crochets into this one stitch. So, okay, first one done. Second one comes right into the same stitch. Okay. Then we add a chain stitch and we will add 2 more double crochets. Everything here goes into the same chain stitch. Okay. So it's going to get kind of crowded. Okay, so this is our first V. So it's our double V, So we have 4 double crochets and a chain stitch in the middle centrally. Then we will skip 2 chain stitches and then we will add a double crochet. Okay, done. Then we skip another 2 chain stitches. And again, we do a double V. So we will do 4 double crochets, and in the middle between 2 and 2, we will add a chain stitch. Okay. Then we skip another 2 chain stitches and we add another double crochet, just 1. And then we do another double V. So we skip 2 chain stitches here, and then we will do 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets, just like we were doing before. Just pulling a little more wool here, a little more yarn. Okay, chain stitch and another 2 double crochets here. And if I did everything right, I should have 3 chain stitches left, 2 for the distance, and then 1 more where I will add, into the very last one, we will add a double crochet, just 1. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. This is after the first row. I started with 21 chain stitches. Then we skipped the first 5. The first 3 were height, and this is kind of the same idea. Basically, the double crochet here at the end is kind of our distance at the beginning. So what we have here on the right, we have 3 chain stitches here that we skip for height, and then 2 for the distance. So basically, yeah, the same idea here on the other side. Then we did the double V's. Then we have double crochets and another double V in the middle. And we always have a distance of 2 chain stitches. Now we will continue really, really easily. We will start every row with 3 chain stitches, then we turn it around, and then we do the double V's. Always centrally around the chain stitch of the row before. So that means the double V's are just exactly on top of each other, of the ones from the row before. Then here the double crochet, just the one, and we will just go from behind the double crochet of the row before and do our double crochet, and then again we have a next double V. And how exactly I'm going to show you now exactly how I went around the double crochet. I'm going to show you now again. So I go behind the double crochet from the row before, just behind. I'm not going into the stitch. I'm just going behind it. Okay, just right here. Really easy to find. And I add my double crochet just right on top. And then here we reach the next V. So our double V again. So again, 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Then we're done with that. And we can add the last double crochet just around the chain stitches here that we used for height at the very beginning. And then our row number 2 is also done. So on the outside I have here the chain stitches, and on the left I have the double crochet as the border basically. Then we have the double V's, then double crochets, and then in the middle we have another double V. I'm going to show you row number 3 also. And I'm going to start here again with 3 chain stitches. That's every row is going to start like that, 3 chain stitches. Then we add a double V, which is 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Then we go behind here again, behind the double crochet. We're now obviously on an uneven row, and so yeah, it's kind of, you know, you go behind always, right? It looks like kind of I did the opposite in the row before, but we obviously turned around what we're working on. So you do the same motion, but it looks different, right? I'm not sure if I'm explaining myself well, but I think I am. Yeah, so we're doing the exact same pattern. We always go behind. You can obviously vary with that. So if you wanted it to look like you want it, to look like it's always the same, then you would have to switch if you're going in front or behind with every row. But yeah, I like that it looks like this. So yeah, we go behind here again, not in front. If you wanted to go in front, you can. It would look exactly the same as the row before, instead of like switching off. I like that it's switching off, so I'm going to go behind as well. And I do that no matter what row we're working on. But yeah, like I said, you can vary with that. You can change that if you want and what you prefer visually. You could also do, like, let's say 2 ways or 2 rows one way and then 2 rows the other way. Obviously, that's very much up to you. Yeah. Here we have just the 2 rows basically, but as long as you make a longer scarf or a longer whatever you're making, blanket or whatever, you can obviously vary a little more. I'm going to give you an update in a little bit. Okay, guys, so here's my update for you. And as you can see, the pattern here is really nice. You can see the difference, you know, between the double crochets of like how we went around the double crochets. So we always have one variation here where where you can see that there's something in front of the double crochet or there's something behind of the double crochet. And then we have the double V's always kind of like on the side, and then in the middle obviously centrally. I think this variation with the 3 double V's I think is a great width for a scarf or for, you know, something like that. I think it'll look great for a spring scarf or something like that. Here is the last little bit of my wool, so I didn't finish up the last row. But you can see the colors here really well anyways, and obviously also the pattern. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!